SpeakListenHub.
In today's video, you'll join a fun English adventure with Emma and Jack. You'll discover easy tricks like the whisper method, the mistake monster, and the mirror friend that will make speaking English simple, natural, and even fun. Do you ever feel shy when speaking English? Or maybe you forget words in the middle of a sentence. Don't worry, you're not alone. Hey, Jack, you look tired.
Yeah, my English class last night was hard.
Oh, really? What was difficult?
Speaking, I feel shy. Always forget words.
Don't worry. Everyone forgets words, even me.
But you speak English so well.
I practice every day. Speaking is like exercise.
Exercise? Like running?
Yes. If you don't run, your legs get weak.
So, my English legs are weak.
Exactly. You need English gym.
Sounds funny, but maybe true.
Do you know the whisper trick?
Whisper? Like talk very soft? I love coffee.
Yes. Your brain remembers words faster.
Really? That sounds strange.
Try it. Say, I love coffee.
I love coffee.
Good. Now, again, louder.
I love coffee.
See? You feel more natural.
My mouth feels different.
That's because you're training your mouth muscles.
Wow, my English muscles are growing. I'm afraid of mistakes.
Oh, the mistake monster?
Yes, it eats me every time.
Mistakes are like pizza.
Pizza? What?
Sometimes too hot, sometimes too cold, but you still eat it.
Okay, I get it.
Mistakes are food for learning.
So, if I make mistakes, I learn more?
Exactly. More mistakes, more English food.
Then I will eat mistakes every day.
Good attitude. Do you listen to songs in English?
Sometimes. Taylor Swift.
Nice. Singing is a secret tool.
Singing? But my voice is bad.
Doesn't matter. You train your ear.
My ear?
Yes, listening is the mother of speaking.
Oh, like a baby learns from mom.
Exactly. Copy the rhythm.
Sing like English baby?
Yes, cute English baby.
Okay, but don't laugh too hard. Where can I practice more?
Try talking with strangers.
Strangers?
Yes, in the park, bus, cafe.
But they will think I'm crazy.
No, start small. Say, nice weather.
Or, I like your hat.
Perfect. That makes people smile.
But what if they don't answer?
Smile and walk away.
Okay. That's not scary.
See? Easy English adventure. Do you watch movies in English?
Yeah, but I don't understand everything.
That's fine. Use subtitles.
But my eyes get tired.
Then use pause and copy.
Pause and copy?
Yes. Stop the movie, repeat the line.
Like, actor says, I'm hungry. I say it too?
Exactly. You copy the actor's voice.
Oh, like acting in a movie.
Yes, you're the star now.
I like that. Emma, what if I never speak fluently?
Don't say that. You will.
Sometimes I feel stupid,
You're not stupid. You're learning.
but people laugh.
Then laugh with them. Make it fun.
Maybe.
Language is music, not math.
Music?
Yes. Feel it. Don't count it.
Okay, I like that idea.
Good. You're stronger than you think. Do you eat English every day?
Eat English?
Yes. Breakfast, lunch, dinner?
So I drink English soup?
Exactly. 10 men reading equals breakfast.
Okay, then lunch?
Listening to a podcast.
Dinner?
Speak to a friend or yourself.
Wow. Full English menu.
Yes. Healthy English body.
I'm hungry now.
Do you talk to the mirror?
The mirror?
Yes. Practice facial expressions.
My mirror will laugh too.
No, it's your free teacher.
Free? That's cheap.
You see your mouth, smile, eyes.
Oh, like acting again.
Yes. Confidence grows.
Confidence. I like that word.
Say it 3 times.
Confidence, confidence, confidence.
Sometimes I feel alone.
Join an English club.
A club? Like football?
Yes, but for speaking.
Do people really talk there?
Of course. No teacher, just friends.
Sounds fun.
You learn faster with people.
More voices, more practice.
Exactly. And more mistakes, too.
Mistake pizza again.
Yes, delicious. Do you know tongue twisters?
Yes, but too hard.
Try she sells seashells.
She sells... Oh, no.
Good practice for your tongue.
My tongue is tired now.
That's training.
Like gym for my mouth.
Yes. Strong tongue equals clear words.
Okay, but tomorrow my tongue needs rest.
Lazy student.
Happy student. Someday I want to travel.
Where?
New York, maybe London.
Perfect. English adventure.
But if I can't speak, I'll be lost.
People are kind. Ask small questions.
Like, where is the bus?
Exactly. Or, how much is this?
Survival English.
Yes. English is your passport.
Then I want big passport.
You'll get it. Do you forget words fast?
Always. My brain is like a hole.
Then use pictures.
Pictures?
Yes. Draw or see images with words.
Oh, like flashcards.
Exactly. Brain loves pictures.
And colors?
Colors make memory stronger.
Red apple, green book, blue car.
Perfect. Your brain is smiling now.
I feel it. Emma, can we try test now?
Okay. Speak for 1 minute.
About what?
Anything. Your day, your dream.
I woke up, drank coffee, forgot.
Keep going.
Okay. I want to travel, pizza, music.
That was great.
You think so?
Yes. You spoke with heart.
My heart is faster than my brain.
That's perfect English.
Thank you, Emma. Really.
You don't need thanks. Just practice.
But you changed my thinking.
No. You changed yourself.
My English is alive now.
Yes. Alive and strong.
I will whisper, sing, act, eat English every day.
Good. And talk to mirrors.
And fight the mistake monster.
Yes, you're right. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.